Hi everyone, Ponez here, and in this video I'm going to show you a backtest session of how I trade. I'm not profitable yet, that's why I'm recording this video so I can watch it later. If you want to watch my journey, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I try to post a backtest video every day until I become consistently profitable. So let's do it. Prices is inside this POI. You see inside this one as well. You see the number break this. Maybe we're going to break here finally and then drop. We'll mark this and this. Inside here there is nothing else to mark, everything is mitigated. Even on H1. Mitigated this. And maybe now we can finally go up. There's still this. Oh, mark, but I don't think the price is going to come all the way down here. Maybe it can because it's the only mitigated here as well. 50% here and here. Actually, we can come down here. Press. Maybe we're going to go like this. Make 2 legs. Take this out. Drop here, and then it will have enough strength to break this. I don't know. Let's see. For now, I will mark this. There's this huge wick as well. Price already tapped the 50%. And yeah, let's see how it goes. I wanna know when these liquidities get taken. Now price took the 75. Tap this POI. The only problem is that this POI is very high in the middle of the leg. And let's see. I will want to short from down here if I'm going to short. And we also took this H1. Yeah, I don't think this can hold. Maybe if we take this and then we can drop. But we also took this H1, so shorts would be better, I think. Looking at the whole move, we took all this liquidity and we didn't take any highs yet on each one. We took this and price is just doing internal stuff. Maybe this will not be enough to take these lows, maybe only here. So for now, I think I'm going to short took this in 5. Tap the other block. broke. Oh, this is not internal. This is not inversing. This can be inverse. Take this, tap the 50%, and then we can drop. Like this. We'll try a little bit above. Okay. This is an engulfing. I'll try here. Whatever, let's see what happens. Tap the PY. M5 is bearish at the moment, so I don't want to long this, because we would be longing from this PY, and I want to long from at least this one, preferably from here. This can hold. Let's see if you get more shorts. Manipulation. Tapping this. If this is going to hold, then we shouldn't break above. I'll do market instead of limiting. Let's see. Seems like it's holding. Oh, what the fuck? I forgot to put. Damn, I forgot to change the time. Whatever, let's see what happens here. Let's just skip. Thank God those trades worked. What the fuck? Forgot to change my time. 4, 5. Okay. So this ended up holding, and we took this out. This was already mitigated. We can still go down more because price just took this, but I don't think this is enough to make price break everything. I think this is the main liquidity to have the strength to make price to go up. This is just a what's the word? Just a reaction. This would be the M5. Maybe we can come to this PY to then short again. Let's see. To cut M5. The only problem is that we didn't tap the PY. We only took this liquidity. I think I'll wait for this. Should I wait? There was a manipulation. Here. So this was one short. maybe we're going to do something like this. Go like this, break, tap here, come here, and then drop. Let's see if that happens. Get long. If we use this internal, then I can long. Maybe I should have used this. Took out the liquidity. Made 2 legs. Here, here. Tap the POI to target here. And then maybe you can drop. Let's see. Oops. Okay, now we tap the POI. This was also H1. M15 will be here. Oh, ended up breaking everything. So I guess this maybe was enough. Let's see if there was another POI unmitigated. This was definitely not mitigated. This doesn't count because it didn't break. So this was all internal. And this one was mitigated because it broke and then it came back. Unlike this one, that it just fucked around and then broke and didn't came back. Came back just now. If it gives a pretty big candle, I'll try. Okay, just broke everything. Took out a bunch of liquidity. What is... oh, this is just M5. Make this wick. Look at how price is overextended. I don't think I should short. It tapped. Took out the M5. Ignored all these POIs to come to the extreme. This would be a good place to short at the extreme of the leg. Where's 4R? I'm not gonna do it because it's kinda... look at this move. Of course it can drop straight, but I don't think it will. Let's see what happens. I think price is just going to fuck around here and then take it all up. Yeah. These straight legs are very risky to go against. Now I wanna see this get taken and then 5 bearish. This or this. Took this. I could long here. One leg, two. This will be the whole PY. Maybe price comes here, but there is no manipulation. Oh, there was one here. Kinda ugly. I prefer to do external. So if this was taken and then this, then it would be better. I'm not gonna do this one. Oh, we took the low. The problem was the PY. There was no PY here. I mean, there was this. It's up to 50%. But I don't want to long here. We took this liquidity. If I miss the long, because I don't want to do, then whatever. This long is pretty risky. Yeah, thank God I didn't do it. I wanna short. First step, second step. Now I wanna short it from here. If price closes this gap, almost. Okay, now it's here. 1, 2. Need to come back here. Okay, give a manipulation. Tap into the POI. I wanna see a candle up here. Maybe like this one. Five pips stop. So maybe come here. I think it will be better to mark. $2.34. That's okay. Oh, what the fuck? They're melting. I don't know why. Maybe there was news, but it's not showing. Alright, so took this, came up, took this, came down. Now there's no way price is going to hold here again, right? Only here. Took this, took this. Yeah, I don't think price is going to stop here. Okay, maybe it will. If it comes up here, I think I'm going to short again. Pretty risky because we took this liquidity, but consider this whole leg. Yeah, let's try it. A straight leg. I wanna see inverse manipulation. Was here to here to here. Maybe could have used this. I don't think there was an inverse from here to here. This was the lowest point. Yeah, I'm not gonna use this internal stuff. If it drops, whatever. Oh, ended up dropping. I didn't want to longer because of this liquidity. This is not a major one. If you take the first time, then okay. But after we take this, there was nothing to hold. And the day is over. Ended up dropping. Besides this one that I took wrong, this was the only trade. Well, imagine if I had done this 7R. Holy shit. Okay, since we did this one, let's see. Let's analyze that. I think this one was pretty easy to count liquidity. M5 was bearish. Tap the extreme of the leg after M5 manipulation. Pretty safe stop loss. Ended up 2R and then 5R. And this one was the confirmation. Yeah, like this one, this inverse is nice because it's third leg. And then was from here to here. Then this was an internal, then from here to here. Then from here to here. And then gave the manipulation external point and broke this. So this was a nice external manipulation inverse. This one I like. Not that I like, I prefer to long here, but we couldn't. So the inverse to short was fine. And then here the one I like because price makes this drawing and take the manipulation, tap in the PY and then drop. This manipulation I like best. Both ended up working, and I don't think there was any more. There was one like here. Maybe this was one, but there was no PY, didn't tap anything. And then, oh, there was one here. You can't even see clearly what it was. Let me just do like this so you can see it better. Tapping to the PY. So something like this. But this was spread hours. I just jumped this, but there was this trade as well. And here I think there was another one. And 5 would be here. Straight leg. And one. Here to here. This could be the inverse. It was like this, here, and bam. Then he fucked around, took this out, and then made 2 legs. So this was like this. Oh wait, like this, mitigating everything to the upside, and then here he gave the manipulation. Okay, ended up breaking more, no problem, but ended up breaking higher, and then made 2 legs like this. We could have shorted here as well. This is the POI. Shorting anywhere here, like after this. This was also fine to trade. And short, short, short until we take another liquidity. There was probably another trade here. And 5. It's called M5, but we didn't tap anything, so this short was not going to be able to do it. This was internal. There's medical. Oh, it wasn't call loss. Oh, it was. Broke only here. So this move was like this. So this was the manipulation. Tap into this. And we could have tried short after this candle. Maybe into the liquidity. I took a trade live market today, pretty similar to this one. Almost at the liquidity, and then I entered here, and this space didn't do anything, just dropped straight to the liquidity. But I made 5R. This one will be 9. Holy shit. And then this long was nice. I should have done this one. Took the liquidity. M5 internal bullish. I don't think there was M5 manipulation. No. So I had to use M1. And the M1 to use was this one. Tapping to the extreme. Tap the 50% and gave it the nice rejection candle. Stop loss there. Targets here. Already 3R, more than enough. Yeah, this one I missed. I should have done this. Took out the liquidity. And then I think this was the only short that was possible. Thank God I didn't try to long here. Instead I tried short. And this one was not able to execute. But yeah, nice trades today, man. Holy. Yeah, I feel like I'm getting better at choosing my trades. Let's just hope I keep on doing this. Alright, so let's see how it did. What? I think some of those trades. Oh yeah, because it was. Yeah, that's right. I only did one trade on the 30th. Ended up the first two that I traded in the wrong time counted here. So this was nice. Made I think 7R. I think this day was almost break even, minus 0.34. I don't remember. We were -8, I think, and now ended up the month break even. So we almost made 8R to finish this month, which is nice. And tomorrow we will start May 2024. So yeah, that's it guys. Thanks so much for watching. God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.